everyone, welcome back to Marvellouss Beauty World. This is your lady here, Mommy Beauty. Thank you so much for subscribing, for showing us your love. We do appreciate. Today we have like a special video, so we're gonna show you like how you can mix your Nivea Express if you have someone who has like dry skin, like proper dry skin. If you put the cream doesn't lock the moisture on your skin. Today this video, oh my god, you're just sorted. So please, if you are new here, click on that red button, you subscribe, and then you're gonna continue this lovely journey with your lady here, Mommy Beauty. So I'm not gonna take a lot of your time, so let's just jump on the tutorials. Much love, guys. As I told you, so this Nivea is so nice if you have like a really dry skin, like your skin doesn't lock the moisture on. This one is for you. You feel it and you see it is 48 hours of moisture, like it gives you a deep moisture. It's for normal to dry skin, so deep moisturizer. These things is just amazing, you know. If you have like that dry skin that it never stop, you know, giving you problems. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna mix it. So if you want to have that nice glowy skin, you know, moist skin, and then you want it to be like a nice, a little bit glowing, so you can mix it with this Face Lady glycerin. So it's the glycerin 2% brightening, so to have that bright glow skin. So we mix it with this one, and then we have our vitamin C. We're gonna put it inside, and then we're gonna mix it with the Face Lady tube as well, lightening tube, you know. So sometimes you can have that dry flaky skin, you want that dryness to drop down. So this is a nice mixer. So I'm gonna show you how we'll be doing it. So we're gonna open our cream. So make sure you have like a bowl, an empty bowl. It has to be a glass or a plastic. You don't use a metal, just for health and safety, and a plastic spoon. So I'm gonna open my cream. So I open the cream. As you can see, the cream is so nice and light, you see. So it's very nice and light. So this cream is just amazing. Honestly, if you never try it, you know, if you have a dry skin, please give it a go. You see yourself, and then it smells so heaven. So yeah, I'm gonna get just only 1 spoon of glycerin. So Face Lady glycerin is here. So just gonna get it, so to give you just that nice glow moist. So the cream is very nice. It's just gonna give you a nice hydrating feeling, but if you want to boost a little bit of glossy, so you can put like 1 spoon of glycerin, and then 1 2 3 4 5 7 10 drops of vitamin C. As you know, the vitamin C is very good for our skin. It does, you know, help our skin over all the free radicals. And then I'm gonna add a tube. This is a very nice tube, you know. If you have like this flaky, as I told you, you want to get rid of the flaky skin, you want to have some nice glowy skin. So the tube is new, so I'm gonna use the bag to just open. And then so what you're gonna use, you're just gonna need like, I think 1 will do, you know, if you just want to have that nice glow. So as you can see, it's just 1 spoon of tube, and then the remaining one, so we leave it, you know. You are lightening your skin, you are making it so nice and soft, but you don't want it to be too much, you know. This one is like if you have like a chocolate skin, you know, chocolate skin which you suffer from the dryness, so you just don't want it. So this mixer will help you. So we're gonna mix our cream, so we get rid of any lumps. You just continue mixing, so no lumps in. So we mix it until all the lumps is gone away. Yeah guys, here I am still mixing my cream, so until I get rid of any lumps. So if you never try like this Nivea Express hydration cream, please let us know. Or if you have any other cream you tried previously from Nivea, we would like to know your comments, how you feel about the process, how we are mixing our cream, or if you need any help with anything. This mixture can help you, like if you have as well like, you know, like the dark spots, so that's, we can help you as well to get rid of the spots and all of that. But this one doesn't help you with anything like acne, no, it just gets rid of the, you know, like the black mark, you know. It does help with the dryness, especially if you are on the dry side. Honestly, this mixture is for you. Just give it a go, try it to see. Our cream is nice and smooth, see that? So it's very nice to use, darling. If you have that dry skin, that cracky skin, my god, if you try this cream, honestly, you come here, thank us, you know. Let us know what you think about the process. How did you feel? Honestly, the cream feel just even, you know. See that glossy skin, see that moist, you know, is so amazing. So I can even put it fat here, as yourself you can see how it's just, you know, moisturizing my skin. So it's so nice and simple. Because I did face the video with the Flaming Body Q10, so this one was like for fair skin, and then some of my girls, they complained, they was like, oh no mommy, you know what you should do for everyone. So I did. So this one, it was for like just normal skin, you know. If you have like a fair normal skin, this one can help you. But if you have that, you know, that nice chocolate skin and then it's dry as well, so it can help you. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you, love. So we love you so much. That was all for the video. So we asked our container here, so we're gonna just, you know, put our cream in our container. Look at that, look at how it goes. So you're just gonna put it there. Here you don't have to mix a lot, you know. You can just mix the cream that you can use maybe like 4 to 6 weeks. When you finish, and then you can mix another one, so you don't have to be mixing too much. Just mix something that you can use between 4 to 6 weeks. When you finish, you can go back and then mix another one. Yes, see that? Oh, looks so nice. This looks so amazing, you know. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your loved one, with your aunties, with your friends who have dry skin. Before you use this cream, don't forget, make sure that you exfoliate your skin so nicely, you know, to get rid of every dead skin. And then when you put your cream on, so your cream is just gonna go nicely, and then, you know, smoothly. Look at that. Wow, did you see that? It's nice, and how the skin is just going nice and smooth. Oh, amazing. Thank you so much again for watching. Thank you for your time. We do appreciate. Please, 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 if you are not subscribed, please, what are you waiting now? Subscribe. Subscribe, share the video, show us love, drop us the comments, you know, what you think about the video. The girls as well, they say hello to you. They are not around today, so they're enjoying their bank holiday weekends. I'm here by myself. I love you so much. I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you so much. Give this cream a try, and then you let us know what you think. Bye. I'll see you on my next one.